What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, the plan is let me wipe y'all off. A little foggy. But the plan is today, Herd gonna come through, man. We're gonna finish up, wrap up everything, man. That's the plan for the day and all that. I don't know, man. You know, we just gonna see what we're gonna get done, man. He should be here in a minute. We just got finished working out. Said that sun creeping back out and all that. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all on when he get here. All right, y'all, we checking in. I see my boy Hurt made it. I just got back with the fuses. Y'all know they car here use them old glass fuses, man. I ain't had none of them, of course, cause I don't have no car. I didn't have a car at the time that used those. So we finna pop the fuses in. Cause I did see a few missing. And man, I'm gonna hunt me down some plastic too, so I can get this. That's what I said, all them little stains, they just with the plastic dirty. I'm gonna see if I can hunt me down some new plastic, and then just have the seats, just put them, cover them back up in plastic. Car. They one of them things, man. Said if it's it, you don't have the plastic on them, they're white over with. It's over with. So I'm gonna get the popping some fuse in, cause I ain't have no power to the heater and stuff, but ain't even no fuse in it. So that's one problem. And then I'm gonna start hunting down the issue with these speakers and stuff. And hopefully soon all my little stuff will come in, man. Cause I done ordered a lot of stuff for their car, little small stuff. Ordered a lot of stuff for wifey car. I ordered some stuff last night for meats. I got some stuff for Dolo, little accessory stuff, man. I done bought stuff for all the cars and all that. So I'm gonna pop these fuses in and see if we can get some stuff working, and see if we can get the wiper back working too. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, so pop the fuse in, and immediately the blower comes on. So it's doing something. But it works, as you can hear, and actually come out the vent too. But it's doing something. As you can hear, it's still running. So that's probably why they had the fuse out of it. But Hurt was messing with the piece over here. So I probably need to replace whatever it is, cause it's definitely still running. It's most definitely still running. So we're gonna have to see what's to that. I'm gonna have to pull the fuse out for right now. Right there. Huh? Yep, staying on. That's what I'm doing now. Now, yeah, I heard we're messing with the plug. It might be just this. I forgot what these things called, y'all. I done changed before.
That's regular.
Oh, I wiggled the wrong plug. It's something in there always.
Yeah, see, that's your plug right there.
It's like it resets. When you unplug it, So we're gonna try changing that, cause it worked by the control.
I'm not tightening it, I'm taking it out.
Huh?
Taking it out because it was loose as hell. The screws were about to come out a minute ago, and I tightened the screws down like they were gonna change it.
Yeah.
And they were doing it.
That's what I said, man. Oh yeah, I forgot what this thing called, man. So we're gonna try changing this, man. Huh? That's it. Yeah. Resistor. That's it. So we're gonna get this, man. It probably obviously bad, cause like I said, it works by the controller now. It just it's right here. So you know, little stuff, man. Tracking down little stuff, chipping away at it. And yeah, we probably will drive this thing today and all of that. But y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all on in a minute. All right, we taking in, y'all. So I was doing I gotta get some self-tapping screws for the catch can. I was sitting there going through everything. I found some fittings. I still had some fittings, but I needed 390s and some more holes, cause I got dash 8. I thought I had some dash 10 left, but I only got dash 8. So I went ahead and put the fittings. I went ahead and put the fittings in the box right here. So I can't mount it right now. So I'm gonna get some self-tapping screws. Go get that. And then I ordered the 390s and the hose. Then I'm gonna make the hoses up, and I go ahead and install that catch can. So we'll have that, and then that'll help that crankcase ventilation problem. And Herb over here, we're going in. Got this side down. Right here. Looking like new money. You need it brakes on there bad. All this stuff mixed up. Yeah, that's what it is. He over there working on the other side, but this side right here was shot. He said all the stuff was loose. That's why the emergency brake cable was out of adjustment. So I'm gonna run them back too. We don't need those. So once he get done with that, it'll be downhill. Gotta do that right there. Sure, it'll be a breeze, man. So I'm gonna run this stuff back to the parts store and get some self-tapping screws too. Then I'm gonna come back and jump on mount this, cause that's one less thing I gotta do. So I'm gonna mount the catch can today, and then when the stuff comes, probably about 2 days, I'll go ahead and plumb it, and I'll be done. So y'all stay. All right, we taking in, y'all taking in, man. Herbie knocking it down. He already straightened out Wifey's car, the Monte Carlo, quick fix. The door lock thing, he got that straight. The Donk is finished. I just ran the parts store in it, ride like a lat. Smooth. We ran into a little hiccup right here. Had the wrong seals, but luckily wife was in town picking kids up, so I ain't have to run back out. So we just kicked it a little bit. Pulled the firearms out, had a little fun in the downtime, and did that. So she got back, man. He rolling with it. He knocking out the other side. Yeah, man. She ready to roll. Got the new battery in, the new Optima, new ends on it. Tighten it up so she ain't doing everything safe for her. So she gonna be able to just get in the car and drive and enjoy herself, man. Like peace of mind and all the little interior stuff. Like I said, that stuff coming, the switches and all that. We'll jump back on that when that come, whatever. But shoot, Herb done knocked out everything, man. Couple days, man. So said y'all in the Georgia area, y'all hit him up. You need a mobile mechanic, meaning he will come to you. Just a service charge, of course, but he'll come to you, man, and y'all see he knocking it down like boom. Y'all see me, I use the same people. I use same circle of people. I use Herb, Rick, Jesse, and from time to time, like I said, I get with my fam Frank. But I use the same people, man. That's how I like to do. And whenever I get an interior person, I'm gonna be the same person. I got somebody I use for everything down to paint. Same people, I try to be loyal to who I'm loyal to. Y'all know how I get down. I don't like going outside the circle. So that's just what it is. If it is, I just wait. That's just how I do. Y'all know Rick and Herb, man, they knock out a lot of the stuff like Herb doing it and all that. They come to the house, so I take it to their house and stuff. But then you got Jess and them, the high performance stuff and all of that. And DJ, my transmissions. So I got somebody for everything. I use the same people for everything. Other than that, I wait. I just wait, or I do it myself if I had the time. You know, sometimes I get out here like I'm gonna do the catch can, and that's that. But yeah, that's what we're coming. Said Wifey is about to be able to hit the road and be good. So I'm happy for that, man. So she can just drive a car. I want to get all this straightened out for her first, and then we'll buy a set of tires. That's simple. Get her a set of tires, and she gonna be in the game. She gonna be in the game, man. So when the other stuff come, I'll let y'all know on that. But y'all just stay tuned. Oh, the U joints. That's all he got left to do on this. The U joints. I mean, they probably ain't bad, but we just gonna change them. You know, make sure you always make sure your lady straight. Make sure your woman ride good before you ride good. They're just how we roll. So y'all stay tuned. All right, we checking in. Y'all can see them got dog. We got everything put up. Wifey Mustang knocked out. We ended up not changing the U joints. Well, her ended up not changing the car. I told them don't worry about it. We got under there. That's one thing that actually looked decent. They had already been changed. So the U joints in the Mustang were good, but other than that, man, we ready to roll. It just interior, little small interior stuff on the Donk and the Mustang, but we waiting on shipments to come. I got loads of parts coming. I don't know when they're gonna get here. Like I said, quick rundown of the parts I bought for this: master window switch, side marker light, lock, door lock actuator. Man, it's some. The light, brand new light switch, which pull the knob on. And man, a few more things for this car, brand new. Then the Donk, man, the hood release cable broke, so I got a brand new hood release cable coming. All 4 LEDs and lenses coming, which is a kit. I have a headlight switch, brand new coming for the Donk too, cause the knob broke off of it. Man, a few things. Oh, rear view mirror for that car. Rear view mirror for this car, the piece, the attachment piece, the adhesive. Rear view mirror, not rear view mirror for Dolo. Rear view mirror for Wifey Mustang. Dolo new wipers, new wiper arms, and I'm gonna go back on that site tonight and see if I can get new wiper arms for Wifey Monte Carlo, since they got that overspray on them and it ain't coming out. So I'm gonna see if I can get brand new wiper arms for that. And we ought to be shake, rattling, rolling, man. Got the little door lock handle and stuff situated. So Herb knocked out 3 cars in 2 days. So man, much love to him. He been getting down. It been a team effort, man. That's why I said people like, man, you work on cars. I work on them sometime when I have time, but when you put your money in the right place with the right people, you can get more done. Cause other than that, it would have took me longer because it was some things I had to run back and get. If I was doing that, which y'all have seen me do all this stuff. Y'all ain't seen me do back brake, cause I'm not gonna lie to you and say I know how to do back brake. Now, could I learn? Yeah, cause I'm a quick learner and I pick up on stuff fast. I just ain't had the desire to learn to do back brakes, cause I figure I'd never be doing them. But like today, we ran into the seal problem. I had to run and go get a seal. So if that was me, see, he was still able to work. Well, wifey got the seal, so it was a team effort, man. But other than that, been running back and forth and having to do that and this and that. And, you know, it just been a headache, man. So that's why sometimes I get out here and turn the wrenches on them if I can be fast and efficient. But the nature of that, this car and that one, got knocked down in a couple of days. Team effort. Cause me and wifey were running for today. We've been running for 2 days. Hello, we've been 3 days, 2 or 3 days, 2 or 3 days straight, like boom, boom, boom. Then I had to take this car. So imagine me doing all that work that got done, and I had to do this, and like while I'm taking this car, Herb working. So that's why I said sometimes you spend money, man, in the right place, and that's why y'all don't see me turning a lot of wrenches like in the old vlogs. The old vlogs, I had 1 or 2 cars. Now I got 6. So plus my wife 2, yeah, 8. Plus the regular stuff. So, you know, you got to have help, man. You got to have help sometime. Don't be scared to pay and look out for your people. So, but other than that, we're gonna keep it rolling. It should be some stuff coming in this week, and then we'll get in and start getting there tinker with it. But tomorrow, we back on the Donk, on the music, trying to figure out the music situation, get some sound coming out speaker, and all of that, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.